Exercise 7D, Coordinate Geometry, Class 10. Question number 3. Show that the following points are collinear. Sub number 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, and 8, 8. Tadi yon segumen points rangko collinear ongani mana show khana nanggen. Mana de proof khana kita nanggen. Yon segumen points rang. Yerong jok x1, y1. Yera x2, y2. Yerong jok x3, y3. Sekarang bonga x1, x2, x3 ni value rang khana again. Here x1 are ongjok 2, x2 are 4, x3 are ongjok 8. Tawde y1, y2 or y3 ni value rang khana again. Y1 de yegini pa 5, y2 de 6, y3 de 8. Tadi yarang ko siani zaman ude marakena area of triangle ko calculate kana tangen. Yon sogmun points rang collinear ong ode area of triangle equal to 0 answer mangen. Mas kang about area of triangle ini formula ko second area of triangle formula de half into modulus of xy minus xy ni sichaibo plus by xy minus xy plus xy minus xy modulus ko close kabo ichibak degemna ma kana yede complete umkuja ya formula de complete umkuja ini men ma kana badya x1 badya x2 badya x3 badya y1 badya y2 badya y3 equal misokran again skang bo de equal 1 equal 2 dun bo 1 2 de ini opposite ongska again 2 1 1 2 on de de 2 ni sabe chengin okne 2 3 ongonok 2 3 dimna de 3 2 2 3 ongode ichide 3 ni sabe chengin 3 ni abe chengin 3 ini jamade 1 ne 3 1 de 1 3 ifo describe 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 1 1 3 tode ya formula ho giskan alto again mo. So this is equal to half into modulus of tadi ko substitute kabo x1 y2 ini man 2 into 6 minus x2 y1 ini man 4 into 5 plus x2 y3 and x2 y3 in even 4 into 8 minus x3 y2 8 into 6 plus x3 y1 in even 8 into 5 minus x1 y3 2 into 8 So this is equal to half into modulus of 2 into 6 day 12 minus 4 5s are 20. Sign the plus bracket now 4 8s are 32 minus 8 6 are 48 plus bracket now 8 5s are 40 minus 2 8s are 16. So this is equal to half into modulus of the 12 minus 20. Talbat ka ba number negative? Ini one answer be negative. 20 uni 12 yang ada 8. Dagam na. Ini ba talbat ka ba number negative nya? Ini one minus into plus de minus. Dagam na 8 22 yang ada 6. 4 ni 3 yang ada 1. Ini one minus 16. Dagam na ini de talbat ba number positive. Ini one answer ba positive mungkin. Dimana 10 uni 6 yang ada 4 dong riknya, 3 dong riknya 3 uni 1 yang ada 2. So this is equal to half into modulus of minus 8 minus 16 de minus 24. Tadi minus 24 plus 24 de 0 nya. Tadi modulus of 0 de 0 nya. 0 into half kagen semua de 0. Tadi yang manjuk area of triangle 0. Ini mana again? Therefore, the given points are collinear. Shown. Number 7, sub number 1. Prove that the points A0, 0B, and 1, 1 are collinear if 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1. Yano de question mistake to ade typing mistake wa sakon. Yano question no misokani kita de A0, 0B, R1, 1. Yarang de collinear ongsoguman sa. Di ba ino de ya ongsoguman points ko collinear ong anim na proof kachina agan agdraken ka. Di ba yano de A0, 0B, R1, 1. Ya points rang de collinear ong a. Andi gimna ya proof kana agan gabade bahu proof kana aganiana ya kusa proof kana agania 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 ya kusa proof kana nangya demni ya on sogman points rang de collinear ong gumensa collinear ong gumensa on sogman points rang de anyone ma kana ya on sogman points collinear ong ode area of triangle equal to 0 again. So the given points are A0, 0B, and 1, 1. So here x1 ara betana yan x1 y1 ye x2 y2 yera x3 y3. x1 de A, x2 de 0, and x3 is 1. Tawde y1 de 0, y2 de B, y3 de 1. Tawde again, since the given points are collinear, so therefore the showing given points collinear on the area of triangle is equal to 0 ne pangnan giskrabo given points collinear on the area of triangle equal to 0 onga. So this implies that the area of triangle the formula ko sakalbo area of triangle the formula de half into modulus of xy minus xy nisi chaibo plus xy minus xy plus xy minus xy equal to 0. Today, pada x1, x2, x3 are y1, y2, y3 equal misok na again. De 1, 2, 2, 1. De 2, 3, 3, 2. De 3, 1, 1, 3. So the formula de complete one. So this implies half modulus of x1, y2 and x1, y2 in even a into b. A into b minus x2, y1 and x2, y1 0 into 0. 0 into 0 plus x2 y3 and x2 y3 0 into 1 minus x3 y2 and x3 y2 1 into b 1 into b plus x3 y1 and x3 y1 and even 1 into 0 minus x1 y3 and x1 y3 into 1 into 1 demna yet come out over 2 could cross multiply hana again 2 into 0 against mode 0 again even ya 1 chi ko multiply ko option by bang again dibe ya 2 could cross multiply ka when cross multiply ko de 2 ko sak chini cross ka again 2 into 0 ko de 0 again even jakra de 0 idong again then 1 chi ko multiply ko de option by bang again dimna modulus of yede a into b de ab minus 0 into 0 de 0 and oya dimna ab minus 0 de ab and again even ab dimna 0 into 1 de 0 dimna minus 1 into b de b and oya dimna 0 minus b de minus 0 minus b de minus b and again minus into plus de minus b Digamna de plus 1 into 0 de 0 minus a into 1 de a. Dimna 0 minus a de minus a and y. Dimna minus into plus de minus a. So this is equal to 0. So dia half ara bachig mana 1 chi ko multiply 1 chi ko multiply ko option khatam again. Dimna 2 ko de cross ka multiply ka cross multiply ka bo 2 into 0 ka ode each is 0 and again. The next line de half dong jaha. So this implies so the modulus ko gumat po the a b minus a ko askang si chinge ni jamari minus b. So this is equal to 0. And this implies no de ab ko don again left side to AB is equal to the minus a minus b ko jakrachi shift ka ode sign change unok a plus b songs ka unok. So this implies a plus b ko left side to sis again ab ko jakrachi. So this is equal to ab and this implies the marakana left hand side right hand side anga a b chi divide ka again de a plus b by ab is equal to ab by ab. Mera kana ara left hand side right hand side ab chi divide ka. So this implies tode iko agi gini reki break again ye a ko ab chi divide again aru b ko ba ab chi divide again. Ini men a by ab plus b by ab. And this is equal to de ab era abo 1 times even de 1 even a era ao 1 times b era bo 1 times. So this is this implies de 1 by b plus de 1 by a is equal to 1. Then 1 by a ko kang sibo 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1. The question akan ba 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1 iko nga proof ka ha. Ino again proved.